Hello everyone, it's me Deva with Purandari and welcome to Team Yellow Dragon. In this video, we are going to make a clock by just JavaScript and a little of our index.html, that is HTML. Let's get started. I'm going to make a division and I'm going to name this clock. Here we go. And now I will be inserting the script which we are going to add later. Home.js. Here we go. I'm gonna make a new file and I'm gonna name this home.js. Here we go. And let's make a function and let's name this show time. Now, okay, so now this index.html should have a default attribute. Here we go. Okay, so now let's make date, which will be equal to new date, and let's just define this as a variable. What? Wait a minute. What's the problem? I don't get it. Ooh, okay, sorry. I forgot to add the parentheses. A really new movie mistake. Okay, so now variable date. There's gonna be a new date. It turns into green color. This should be there. And now let's do this h. And h is equal to variable h is equal to date dot get seconds. I'm just gonna Alt plus shift this 3 times for our minutes. This will be M, and instead of seconds, I will just implement this to be get minutes. This will be S, and now this will be get seconds. And over here, I'm going to just make get hours. Here we go. Now I'm going to just go over here and I'm going to make variable time, which is going to be h plus those two colons which are on every digital clock, plus m plus s. Oops, plus. And now I can do here plus s. Here we go. Document dot get element by id. That's, let's just take this time. I think it was time. I think so. This was time. Let's go to index.html. It was clock. Now dot inner html, and that should be the time. I'm going to just I'll shift this down, and this should now be text content. Here we go, and now we should be able to get the element. So let's just go over here and let's open it with live server. I don't understand the problem. Oops, sorry, we forgot to just call the element. I think that's the problem. Show time. Here we go. I think so we should not do the CSS today. Here we go, and now let's okay, here we go. And now let's just deploy the site. I'm going in my GitHub. Here we go. I'm going to just cite this new update. 0.1. Push origin. Now I'm going to my Netlify. I'm going to get started for free. I've already signed it to Netlify. You can also do that. I think. Oh. New site from Git. Let's say GitHub. It's authorized. Log tutorial. Deploy site. This should send, yeah. The site settings. Sorry. Domain settings. And edit site name, and this should be clock tutorial so that it is our what we want. It will save this as clock dot. Let's enter it. Here we go. It shows the exact time. So thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and ring the bell for instant notifications.